Imagine your body as a bustling city with each cell acting as a tiny powerhouse. As we age, these powerhouses gradually lose their spark, leading to a decline in energy and efficiency. One of the key reasons behind this is the drop in NAD+ levels, a molecule essential for keeping our cells running smoothly. This scene sets the stage for understanding why cellular repair and longevity are so closely tied to NAD+, and why scientists are so eager to find ways to replenish it as we grow older. NAD+, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is a molecule found in every living cell. It plays a central role in converting food into energy, repairing DNA, and regulating our internal clocks. Without enough NAD+, our cells struggle to perform these vital tasks. Interestingly, taking NAD+ directly doesn't work well because it can't easily enter our cells. That's where NAD+ precursors come in, compounds that our bodies can convert into NAD+, helping to restore cellular vitality. As we get older, our bodies naturally produce less NAD+. This decline is linked to slower DNA repair, weaker stress resistance, and disruptions in our circadian rhythms, the internal clocks that keep our bodies in sync. Scientists believe that restoring NAD+ levels could help slow down some aspects of aging, making our cells more resilient and efficient. But how can we boost NAD+ if direct supplementation isn't effective? The answer lies in understanding NAD+ precursors. NAD+ precursors are special molecules that our bodies can use to make more NAD+. There are four main types: nicotinic acid, nicotinamide, nicotinamide riboside, and nicotinamide mononucleotide. Each comes from different sources like foods or supplements, and each has unique properties. These precursors are processed through the body's salvage pathway, a metabolic route that efficiently recycles and produces NAD+. Understanding these options is key to choosing the right supplement for your needs. Nicotinic acid, also known as niacin, is one of the oldest and most studied NAD+ precursors. It's found in many foods and is known for its ability to raise NAD+ levels effectively. However, high doses can cause uncomfortable flushing, a warm red sensation on the skin. Despite this side effect, nicotinic acid remains a cost-effective option for boosting NAD+, especially for those who can tolerate its effects. Nicotinamide is another common NAD+ precursor, often found in multivitamins and fortified foods. Unlike nicotinic acid, it doesn't cause flushing, making it more comfortable for daily use. However, at very high doses, it may interfere with some of NAD+ beneficial effects, so moderation is key. Nicotinamide is affordable and widely available, making it a popular choice for those looking to support their cellular health. Nicotinamide riboside (NR) is a newer NAD+ precursor that's gained attention for its high bioavailability. NR is easily absorbed and efficiently converted into NAD+, making it a promising supplement for those seeking to boost cellular energy. It's more expensive than older precursors, but recent studies suggest it may offer unique benefits such as improved brain and muscle function. NR is available in specialized supplements and is generally well tolerated. Nicotinamide mononucleotide (NMN) is another cutting-edge NAD+ precursor. Like NR, NMN is easily absorbed and rapidly converted into NAD+. Animal studies have shown that NMN supplementation can improve metabolism, energy, and even lifespan. Human studies are still ongoing, but early results are promising. NMN is also more costly, but its potential to enhance cellular repair and longevity makes it an exciting option for those interested in anti-aging science. All four NAD+ precursors are processed through the body's salvage pathway, a metabolic route that recycles and produces NAD+ efficiently. This pathway allows our bodies to make the most of available precursors, ensuring that NAD+ levels can be restored even as we age. Understanding this pathway helps explain why different precursors may have varying effects on health and longevity. Each NAD+ precursor has its own strengths and weaknesses. Nicotinic acid is affordable but can cause flushing. Nicotinamide is gentle but may blunt some benefits at high doses. NR and NMN are more advanced, offering better absorption and unique health effects, but they come at a higher price. Choosing the right precursor depends on your health goals, budget, and tolerance for side effects. Recent studies in both humans and mice have shown that supplementing with NAD+ precursors can boost NAD+ levels and improve health outcomes. Participants experienced better energy, improved metabolism, and enhanced DNA repair. While more research is needed, these findings suggest that NAD+ precursor supplementation could play a significant role in promoting healthy aging and longevity. One of the most exciting benefits of higher NAD+ levels is improved DNA repair. NAD+ helps activate enzymes that fix damaged DNA, protecting our cells from the effects of aging and environmental stress. It also supports our cells' ability to resist stress, making us more resilient to daily challenges. This dual action is a key reason why NAD+ is so vital for longevity. NAD+ doesn't just help with energy and repair, it also plays a crucial role in regulating our circadian rhythms. These internal clocks control our sleep-wake cycles and many other bodily functions. By supporting NAD+ levels, we can help keep these rhythms in sync, leading to better sleep, improved mood, and overall well-being. While NAD+ precursors are generally safe, it's important to use them responsibly. High doses of some precursors, like nicotinic acid, can cause side effects such as flushing or digestive discomfort. Nicotinamide may interfere with certain cellular processes if taken in excess. Always follow recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Many NAD+ precursors can be found in everyday foods. Niacin-rich foods like chicken, fish, and whole grains provide nicotinic acid and nicotinamide. Some vegetables and milk products contain small amounts of NR and NMN. While supplements offer concentrated doses, a balanced diet can also support healthy NAD+ levels naturally. Researchers are exploring new ways to deliver NAD+ precursors more effectively. Innovative methods like skin patches and gene therapy are being studied to improve absorption and target specific tissues. These advances could make NAD+ supplementation more efficient and accessible in the future, opening up new possibilities for cellular repair and longevity. Gene therapy represents a cutting-edge approach to boosting NAD+ levels. By modifying specific genes, scientists hope to enhance the body's natural ability to produce NAD+ while still in the experimental stage. This technology could one day offer long-lasting benefits for cellular health and aging, far beyond what supplements alone can achieve. Supplements work best when combined with healthy lifestyle habits. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and good sleep all support NAD+ production and cellular health. By integrating NAD+ precursors with these habits, you can maximize their benefits and promote long-term vitality. When choosing an NAD+ precursor supplement, consider your health goals, budget, and any potential side effects. Start with the lowest effective dose and monitor how you feel. It's also wise to consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take other medications. The science of NAD+ and its precursors is rapidly evolving. Researchers are investigating new compounds, delivery methods, and combinations to further enhance cellular repair and longevity. As our understanding grows, we can expect even more effective strategies for supporting healthy aging in the years ahead. In summary, NAD+ is a vital molecule for cellular repair, energy, and longevity. As we age, our NAD+ levels decline, but supplementing with the right precursors can help restore cellular health. By understanding the different types of NAD+ precursors, their benefits, and how to use them safely, you can take proactive steps toward healthier aging. Combine supplementation with a healthy lifestyle for the best results, and stay tuned for exciting advances in this field.